Welcome back to my channel. Good night. Me have a piece of story to tell uno. Jesus peasam. This a story, stress out. But proud I'ma say. I hate me sometimes. But anyways, good night, my babies. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful experience over here with D. So tonight's video is gonna be a little bit mixed up. Yeah, we are talking mixed up. I'm gonna tell you guys about when my boyfriend thought that I had sex with his best friend. Mic drop. Yeah. So I'm gonna give one of the details. I'm gonna give one of everything. But I'm gonna tell you everything. I'm gonna just laugh and dead and go on. Who want dead with laugh? If you want dead with laugh right now, say me. Say me. Me, 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 me. Wah, 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 wah. Me, 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 me. Wah, 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 wah. Yeah, guys. So I don't know, see me alone get the ad story them per YouTube. No. So if you don't want to watch story and laugh until you teeth them drop out on the head and be things, just me. Just me. Alright. So I'm not even gonna pause the video. I'm just gonna chat the story. Anyways, I have a boyfriend, Zine. My boyfriend and my boyfriend. Me and my boyfriend live together. My boyfriend and me did have a falling out. Remember, me not tell you why we have a falling out. Me I tell you how him feel like me did sleep with him best friend and what him do after him feel like me sleep with him best friend. So anyways, me I whisper because I me alone live and the boy not there and or nothing. But what if him here say me tell him the story and come beat me up? What? A joke. A joke. I hate myself. I hate myself. I love me. Me love that girl, yeah. Anyways, I'm telling this story. When I listen, come. Shh. Come. Shh. You talk too much. Shh. Remember me I tell you a story, you have to shh. Listen. Shh. Yo, me hate myself in the dark. Alright. Here's the story. So, my boyfriend at the time, my boyfriend. He's my best friend, right? But what I got to realize was his best friend was interested in me before he had contacted me. I did not know this until after we started dating and I realized that they were best friends. I did not know they were best friends. I honestly didn't even know the best friend because I never really did contact him back. Like, he used to leave me on Facebook. And I never really did like feed into it because I never told that meds. Like them time there, I never told that meds nobody, especially off of Facebook because everybody knows that Facebook they come like one site and people just go pan for catfish people and them look for something there. So me never that look for nobody at all, especially off of Facebook. So that the guy used to message me like he used to inbox me and tell me something nice and me look good and them look for something there. So at the end of the day, you know say one little buzz did there, but me never know say like, you know. So anyways, after meeting my guy, me and my guy in a long relationship and them look something they like, we go through a whole lot together. So we don't know, so we're seasoning, like we're really together. His best friend, however, he's my friend now. I know who he is as the best friend. But I add him on Facebook. So I add him on Facebook now, like I scroll through the messages, like cause I realized when I added him, there were messages from us. So no, I think me did Facebook work. I think he did already add. I don't know how Facebook work, I don't remember, but I think I did already have him on Facebook. But I think I did message him or something. I don't remember how I figure out say him that text me. But I think I did message him or something. I don't remember. And then when I message him, I realized that we used to text before. Shh, don't have a whisper. Come girl, put your ears right here so me I whisper tell you. So the boy and me used to text, but me never know. So when me start read back and message them now, me I say, no man, this look weird. So when me start read back and message them now, I realize him like me. you know how hard that be if you realize your best friend like you. And the truth is, him not ugly. Him look good, him have little looks, but like to have sex with him, no. Especially after especially being with his best friend for so long, loving his best friend the way I did or the way I do, I could not like sleep with him. It couldn't happen. And he couldn't do it with me too. No matter how much we like each other or no matter how much we because I love him. He's like one of my best friends right now. But I don't love him like to sleep with him. I love him because he's my boyfriend's best friend. You understand? Yeah. So anyways, long story short, I'm not telling you everything. I'm not too fast. You want everything? If you want to hear everything, say story time. Remember, spam up the comment section with story time if you don't want to hear the story them. So anyways, I got some boom normal love. And me and the best friend, I message him, like, I screenshot them and I show him. I say, but did I look me, man? And he must say, yeah, but a long time, something that him no feel them way they again and them look something there. So I crash it and say, Cause at the end of the day, like, you could feel them way they know, because me and your best friend there. So you could feel that way. You'd have to just drop that. So if you feel that way, you would tell me. So anyways, I go so boom. And, the best friend now, me and him at text, cause we're friends now, so we text and them something. So me that show him the vibes and him laugh, and we laugh it off and thing. Push come to shove, long story short, here what happened. One night, me and my boyfriend at home, and my boyfriend come in, and my boyfriend grabbed me up, like really grabbed me up, like he want to choke out my life out of my body. And I kind of confused, because I said, what I do? Him said to me, say, me kiss him best friend. I was like, what? Him said, me kiss him best friend. I said, what? But before him tell me what me do, he was like, what you want my best friend do? Like, him a call him best friend name and me say, what you want him do? What happened between you and him? And me I say, me and him not do nothing, me don't know what you talk about. Like, tell me what we do. Because listen, if me ever say we do something, me I'm probably dead. Because the truth is, in truth and fact, me never know what me do. So I was trying to figure out what it is that I did. But he might try use psychology for me because he must say, what me and him best friend do. But at that point, I was unaware of what we did. When he told me what he heard that we did and who told him, I was like, that's just cruel. Him said, the guy tell him, say, me and him kiss. No, me kiss him, and he kissed me back. I was like, what? Like, when did this happen? Like, what? Be it drunk or frustrated? What? So anyways, it's like, that did kind of raise some red flag from Dideso. So from Dideso, no know that him start pre me as the PUSSYHOLE. Because, yeah. So anyways, now, I go sub boom. And I go sub boom, yeah, me go boom. And me kind of cut off in front in one way because I couldn't believe, say, me hear that and it never goes so. You see it? So me kind of cut off in front in one way. But we did end up get back close when some shit did go on and his friend did come over to where we were living at the time. And he was there for the day and we like spoke and we became back friends. He was on the road though. We spoke and we became back friends, and that is how we started talking back the way we were supposed to, like the friendship that we had before. That's how it was restored. So anyways, now it's like a few months had passed, and then me and my boyfriend now actually had a big argument. We actually started fussing over foolishness and stuff. So me now did go for one of my friends go stay because me and him live together, and I wanted to just give the place a break and just quit and just go get some breeze and some fresh air. So, I go up on my friend. When I go up on my friend now, I realize, say, my boyfriend did post somebody on him status. Now, me tell him, say, oh, so since I say as me left, you can start post girl, you don't know the whole banga, shenge, ring with us females. When we feel intimidated or we feel threatened by another female with our nigga, we act up and we say things that we don't actually mean. So me now go raise another red flag. And go say, I better say me I go sex your best friend. And who tell me for sister? Me go say, I better say me I go sex your best friend. But that is because I did feel some type of way because my nigga hurt my feelings. Anyways, my love, I go say boom now. And I go say boom. And to impose the girl, I wanted to have something to hurt back his feelings with. So me, with my enough self, I'm going to text Fim best friend. I'm going to tell Fim best friend if he come look for me. Up for my friend yard. And me I go give him like a chocho. Yes! Me tell him best friend if he come look for me up on my friend yard and me I go give him best friend like a chocho. That time nothing I go say no. But true you know as females, we want to make sure so we have proof Fish claim so we do things even though we don't know we want to say we have proof. Me the big dumb butu bamboo head. Gone screenshot the conversation and put it up on my story. And then when I say like no, WhatsApp story did me? No, I not think a WhatsApp story me put it on. I think me send him. I don't remember how it go, but I think me did send him a story them. I think me did send him the message, me screenshot them and send him. And I said to him, you see that your best friend me I go do up now and so. People, I wonder if you know so the man take me serious. Guess who did take me even more serious, sir? Is that a word? Me don't know. I don't know why I say we make up a word and so. Me now did have some kush and me ears, like, my best friend, this is the send him my location, but here I go on now. I did night, and me and my friend Abs, we did want to go buy KFC, but him best friend have a bike. Such one bike him best friend have now. Me and my friend Abs put money together and decide, say, me that go up on the bike back for go out of Mandeville, go buy KFC. When the best friend come, cause you thought the best friend did feel like me serious, him did actually want to come. Him did actually come, cause he actually feel like me serious and I want to do it with him. So the best friend end up come. When the best friend come now, whenever people don't get it twisted, we did not have any intercourse. We never had intercourse. We never went close to having intercourse. He's never touched me inappropriately. I've never touched him inappropriately. I don't remember us kissing. I don't think he remembered us kissing either because we've never kissed. We've never done anything inappropriate relationship-wise to each other ever. Never. I swear, never. And him come, him bring me go KFC and me give him the kush. But to me, the big dumb now did go screenshot the conversation and saying my people now feel like say up to this day, in a film back at the brain I'm head runner, so we did do it, but we never did anything. And guys, like, up to now it haunt me. Because if me text him and talk about certain things, the first thing him I go say, you're there with my best friend, and you this say that, and you this say that with my best friend, and you this say. And no matter how his best friend tell him so we not do nothing, him not believe. No matter how me tell him so we not do nothing, him not believe. So you see, might as well better just tell him so better we tell him so we do something. Cause look, probably if we tell him so we do something, he will believe we. Cause no matter how we tell him so we not do nothing, my love, him not believe. We can't tell him so we not do nothing. Him believe. Me never know what him do to him best friend for it. Me don't know how them squash it out or whatever. But only know say he believes that it happened when it didn't. That's all me know. I have no idea how it affected their relationship because me don't know how it affect for them relationship, but me know say affect for me and him relationship because with me and him now, like whenever it comes on to that particular person, even if we're there or even if we're not there, when it comes on to that person, he does not know how to act when it comes on to that person. And ladies, I think that is a very bad idea. That's a very, very bad idea. Me did regret taking the screenshots and posting them and sending them to him. Honestly, I don't remember if I had posted them because I don't think WhatsApp status was out that time. I don't remember. I'm not telling a lie upon myself. Me don't remember how it go. But I know him did get them. I know I did send him them or something like that. And that was probably one of the biggest regrets that I've ever had in my life. Reason being because I did not sleep with his friend. And if I had slept with him, then I probably would have felt much better about the whole situation right now. Because knowing some actually do things with him and get blamed for it is one. But not doing it and getting blamed for it is a whole nother story. And that is the part that hurts me most. So sometimes I do wish that I did do things with him because it would be much easier now to accept, say, alright then, him hate me because me sleep with him friend, and me and Jesus know say me never sleep with him friend. And only me and Jesus and him friend know that, and him no believe. So ladies, like, don't do this. This is not a good idea to tell your boyfriend that, hey, like, me go sleep with your friend. Who do not do it? Him a go hate you know. And even if him not hate you know, him a go take it and have it over on the head forever and ever and ever. Amen. He's gonna use it to judge you. He's gonna use it. Every single thing where you and him have, him a go take that and tell you, say, oh, you sleep with my friend, you're no good girl, this, you that. Oh no, don't do it. Don't do it. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. I hope you watch it to the end. Do not skip the ads. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Palm up the comment section with story time if you don't want to hear more story. Yeah, I don't know we hear more story. Watch my previous videos. They are all true stories. I'm gonna make up no story and talk. The whole of my story, the one me attack, a true something damn. Yeah, guys. So thanks for watching this video. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Peace. Oh no. Peace. Oh no. Peace.